Are you looking for an efficient and foods? Look no further than the 16-quart electric pressure cooker. This pressure cooker is designed with easy-to-follow instructions, a complete range of processing pressures, and a cooking, canning rack that make it ideal for home canning. The 80-page instruction recipe book included with this electric pressure cooker provides detailed information on how to safely process meats, vegetables, poultry and seafood at home using the only method recommended by experts, pressure canning. With its regular mason jar capacity of 12 half pints or 10 pints, or 7 quarts when boiling water processing, you'll have plenty of space to store all your canned goods in one convenient location. This 16-quart electric pressure cooker also features an easy-to-read dial gauge that registers different levels of processing pressures as well as an air vent cover lock so food doesn't escape during cooking time. Plus, thanks to its durable construction materials like stainless steel inner pot walls covered in aluminum oxide coating plus heat-resistant handles made from Bakelite plastic, this product will last through many years worth of use without losing any quality or performance over time. All these features combined make the 16-quart electric pressure cooker a great choice if you want fast results while still preserving flavor and texture as much as possible when it comes to making delicious homemade meals out of canned ingredients. Whether you're looking for something simple like spaghetti sauce or more complex dishes such beef stew, this kitchen appliance has got everything covered so there are no limits on what kinds recipes you can create with these right at home.